Hello and welcome. I'm Lori Banas, General Manager of Analytics at Infor. I'm based and grew up in Detroit. Here in Detroit, we have seen a profound evolution of our automotive and manufacturing industries based on the need for analytics and data-driven decision-making. If we consider the 5 most valuable companies in the world today, and arguably they are the most valuable companies the world has ever seen, they all have one thing in common. They all have business strategies that leverage analytics that enable them to be nimble and very quickly recognize imperfections and opportunities to take advantage of new strategies by making data-driven decisions. From the C-suite to the front lines, driving world-class organizational growth requires data, analytics, and digital business strategy. Today, we will discuss Infor CloudSuites. They are the culmination of decades of industry knowledge and expertise, with billions of dollars of investment demonstrating Infor's commitment to deliver a truly differentiated best-of-breed enterprise platform. Our industry-based cloud suites offer unique last-mile functionality so you can deploy faster and realize benefits sooner. The cloud suites are our core platforms for digital transformation, with notable customer success like Miller Industries, Pilot Flying J, Midwest Wheel, Zodiac Aerospace, Christus Health, and many more, representing 4,000 plus customer tenants, 1,300 plus customers, 23 verticals, and 60 countries. To further this discussion, I would like to hand off now to my colleague, Bradley Stillwell, Vice President, Analytics Product Strategy. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Brad Stillwell, Vice President of Analytics Strategy and Solution Consulting. Now, I've been in the BI, AI, and big data space for almost 20 years. And my role at Infor is to work across all the Infor cloud suites to ensure we have a consistent and comprehensive analytics strategy that meets the needs of our customers today, but also future-proofs you for the advanced use cases of tomorrow. Now, I want to take just a few minutes to walk you through a few changes that we're seeing in the world of analytics and how Infor is uniquely positioned to help you take advantage of these changes. There was a recent study performed by IDC that interviewed hundreds of companies and asked their senior leadership about the changes they're experiencing in their business as it relates to data and analytics. The fact is that almost half of all the enterprises surveyed started using new internally available data, new external or third-party data, new data types such as text and rich media, and new types of advanced analytics like machine learning. And all of this change is putting tremendous ongoing pressure on data and analytics professionals to remain agile in their data integration, BI, and advanced analytics projects. And 1/3 of the surveyed enterprises are dealing with 4 or more of these changes that I mentioned, all simultaneously. New questions are being asked and the status quo is being questioned. CEOs are needing to ask new questions of their data that they never have before. And as a result, enterprises are implementing major changes to their data and analytics technology architecture, driven primarily by a cloud-native blueprint. Another significant shift that was reported by the Aberdeen Group was that for the first time ever, embedded or integrated analytics had more market share than traditional standalone BI. Organizations are moving away from standalone, best-of-breed analytic applications to embedded integrated analytics in cloud-native applications, like our Infor Industry Cloud suites. And the reason that Aberdeen noted this shift was taking place was because companies who are using embedded analytics were seeing 58% better adoption of analytics, 48% higher engagement, and 42% better self-service compared to traditional standalone analytics. Now, that's a huge leap forward for most organizations who are trying to become data-driven. But there's one more data point that is also a caution to be aware of. According to a recent quote by Gartner, digital business thrives on data and the analysis of data, yet many enterprises are hampered by treating data and analytics as supportive and secondary to their business initiatives. The reality is most organizations are already on a journey towards digital transformation, or at least beginning one. But unfortunately, most enterprises look at their data and analytics strategy separate from their core business systems and strategic initiatives. And according to Gartner, this can actually limit the value you can create during the transformation journey. So to be truly successful, you have to mirror your business strategies and applications with your analytics and data strategies. And that is exactly what we do at Infor. We focus on a holistic transformation strategy that is solution-focused and analytics-driven. It's not about platforms and toolboxes, it's about solutions that help you implement faster, realize value sooner, and that's what an integrated industry analytics strategy brings to our customers. So now that you have the context, let's dig a little deeper and more specifically what we deliver and how it's transformational for our customers. Now, most organizations have multiple ERPs, business applications, back office systems for various businesses, joint ventures, or geographies. Integrating that data at the C-level to get an entire enterprise view can be manual, tedious, inefficient, and often error-prone. Infor Industry Analytics delivers relevant and meaningful insights on demand from the boardroom to the front lines, with pre-built content featuring industry-specific metrics that can make a difference for your unique business, delivered the way that you work with built-in mobile capabilities and role-based dashboards. Frontline workers can access data in context of the industry CloudSuite, allowing you to see the impact of a decision before they're made, driving better business outcomes one decision at a time. Now, interactive analytics are also seamless, allowing you to navigate from built-in dashboards and reports to individual transaction, making it easier to take the next best action and improve productivity. Infor Analytics can also be easily extended and enriched with key third-party data sources using our patented automation technology. In addition, enterprise data can easily be served up for advanced AI and machine learning use cases, all from a single source. You can easily implement good governance across multiple data from multiple ERPs and other key applications with a well-managed semantic layer. And all of this is delivered in the cloud, eliminating the need for multiple ETL solutions, databases, and visualizations tools. This makes your data and analytics easy to consume with full self-service, governed data you can trust, and embedded wherever you need information to make better decisions. Everything you need to tackle any analytic use case is included in our industry analytics solution. So let's take a closer look at each one of these in a little bit more detail. First, Infor Industry Analytics comes with industry-specific pre-built analytic content that includes best practice metrics that matter, delivered through unique user experiences from the desktop to mobile with no refactoring. This out-of-the-box content allows you to jumpstart your adoption of the platform and accelerate your implementation, leveraging our 60-30-10 Infor Agility methodology. 60% of what you need is covered out of the box, and therefore you can focus your implementation resources on customizing and extending the analytics to meet the unique needs of your individual business. This ensures that you start with a solid foundation, yet can experiment quickly. Next, we offer role-based prescriptive analytics for the highest level of the organization, the C-suite. These analytics build off the pre-built content, pulling together the metrics that matter and presenting them in a way that promotes action from the top down. C-suite analytics are cross-functional and are at the core of creating a data-driven culture. Everyone from the CEO down to the frontline worker needs to be operating on the same trusted information. All the oars have to be rowing in the same direction. This creates a level of transparency that moves the business forward, and this can be easily achieved using our industry analytics content as a foundation. Analytics needs to be pervasive to make it transformational. Our industry analytics are seamlessly integrated into the industry CloudSuite, providing two-way interactivity, which increases productivity and promotes adoption. In-context analytics are embedded directly into the transactional screens of the CloudSuite, which provides personalized insights throughout the day as you're working. Now you can see before you take an action if it's the right action to take, and that moves the entire organization closer to achieving its overall business goals. No other BI or analytics tool on the market today will be able to deliver that level of integration. Users will always be bouncing from the core application to the analytics, or even worse, out to Excel. And this level of directly injected analytics in our industry CloudSuite is a huge productivity gain. Plus, our industry analytics are extensible. We offer patented automation that makes it faster than ever to integrate third-party systems with our industry analytics. This automation is also seamlessly tied to our metadata layer, where business rules and business logic are maintained, which ensures you can provide centralized governance even from data that's sourced from external systems. And our solution's open. It allows you to access the same trusted metrics and KPIs from other analytic platforms or even from Excel. That way, everyone gets the same trusted answer, no matter what interface they use to ask the question. And thanks to our centralized, nearly infinitely scalable data lake, the same data that drives business intelligence can be used for advanced analytics such as artificial intelligence without having to go back to the source system. And finally, our industry analytics can be used for other advanced use cases outside of the industry CloudSuite. Our customers find that everything that makes our solution great for the Infor ERP also makes it great for other analytical needs. And because the data pipelines, data storage, data modeling, and dashboards and reports are all delivered out of the box, this can save you literally tens of thousands of hours of development if you had to recreate all of this using existing technologies. So now all that effort that we've saved you can be focused on personalizing the solution to your unique needs, driving adoption, and delivering immediate value to the business. And of course, all of this is delivered out of the box, 100% in a web browser, with nothing to download or install, as true software as a service. So now, instead of IT focusing on technology enablement, integration, upgrades, and disaster recovery, they can focus on dramatically improving the time to value for iterating on new analytic insights. And that is a game changer for anyone coming from a legacy on-prem approach across multiple tool sets. But don't just take my word for it. Here's what a recent customer of ours had to say. Steve McEnany, Vice President of Marketing Technology at Midwest Wheel, a CloudSuite distribution and industry analytics customer. Steve said, "I think a big advantage is being able to apply something as powerful as Infor Birst without having to have someone spend 40 hours a week on it for a year. This just works and you can get it right out of the box." That's the power of integrated industry analytics embedded in the CloudSuite. It saved Midwest Wheel a year of development. Now think about that. It would have been 1 year longer to realize the benefits of their digital transformation journey without Infor's industry analytics. Instead, they've been able to spend that time focusing on the insights that are getting immediate value and have already seen a positive ROI with improved fill rates and better inventory management. So now that you know more about Infor's industry analytics and how we can help you succeed in digital transformation and digital innovation today, I'd like to turn it over to Bhargav to give you a sneak peek at what's coming next.
Hi, I'm Bhargav Adala, Vice President of Product Management at Infor Birst. As we here at Infor help you in your journey with industry analytics, we also fundamentally believe in the power of embedded analytics in assisting business users with decision making. And you can look to us to bring innovations in 3 specific areas to help you with this journey. Firstly, we plan to provide more contextual analytics in the embedded business workflows that you're already so familiar with. In fact, some of these contextual analytics are already available to you in the form of homepage widgets and in-context BI widgets in the Infor CloudSuite and the Infor OS experience. The plan is to further these capabilities with features such as Drill Anywhere, as well as a threshold-based alerting framework so that your business users could monitor and track specific metrics and specific KPIs and surface those insights when certain thresholds are met within the Infor platform directly. We also plan to continue investing in the semantic data layer or the enterprise data fabric, both in the Infor Birst layer as well as leveraging that from the Infor data lake. So we fundamentally believe that this is going to be important for the data engineer to be able to trust the insights that Infor provides, both from its data models as well as reports and dashboards. And we'll augment this with capabilities such as visual lineage as well as more granular metadata versioning, so that you can not only trust the governed insights that Infor provides, but also leverage the platform to extend the analytics for your customized enterprise needs. And finally, we plan to unify both reporting and analytics on the same tool, but more importantly, on the same unified data fabric. Now, this is important for the data analyst that wants to bring together historical operational reporting, sometimes even real-time operational reporting, with the needs of visual analytics that you're already using and leveraging the Infor Birst visualizer and dashboards capabilities for. In fact, Infor Birst has its own designer platform as well for operational reporting, but the plan really here is to bring all of these together in a more purpose-built tool so that you can have a build once, consume everywhere model. So that you could use the same reports that you use today on the web, on your mobile devices, but more importantly, use it for distribution reports as well when you're looking for print-ready pixel-perfect reports. And not to forget, we want to bring all these three pillars that we just talked about, keeping in mind the relevance and growing importance of predictive and prescriptive capabilities in an analytics platform. So we have the luxury of having the Infor OS Coleman platform as well within the broader Infor ecosystem, and our plan for predictive and prescriptive capabilities is to further integrate with the Infor OS Coleman platform, both in the data management ETL layer so that you can leverage the best of both worlds for your batch predictive needs, but also add support in the reporting and dashboarding layer in a way that you could use both of these platforms for your real-time prescriptive needs as well. So all of these capabilities that I talked about, from more contextual analytics to a unified enterprise data fabric, as well as bringing together reporting and analytics, keeping in mind predictive and prescriptive functionalities, are to help you further your journey in industry analytics and to help you with the digital transformation journey that you want to embark with Infor on. So now I'd like to turn it over to Rama, who can walk you through how we here at Infor can help you accelerate this journey with us.
You heard all the investments we made in our industry-focused CloudSuite solutions. I will give you a brief overview on the investments we're making in services to help our customers realize the value and take advantage of all the innovations we're making to the product. Last year at Inforum, we launched Infor Agility with one sole purpose: provide faster time to value for our customers. I'm happy to share that we made tremendous progress in the last year. We had three key tenets when we launched Infor Agility. One, we never start a project with a clean sheet of paper. We always bring Infor's point of view for that industry to help customers get started with the project. Second, we focus on giving quicker wins or go-lives to our customers, embracing agile principles versus big bang and prolongated projects. Third, go-live is just the start of the journey with our customers, not the end. In order to make those tenets successful, we've invested in a few things. We launched next generation implementation accelerators that comes with industry process models, tools, templates, methodology that goes with it, and also automated testing, task subscriptions, task services, so that our customers can quickly regression test our applications. We also created a very unique framework called 60-30-10. This framework allows our customers to look at all the business processes that are needed to support their business, yet focus on the processes that are most critical for them. We firmly believe not all business processes are created equal. So the 60-30-10 framework helps our customers focus on the 60% that are core, that they can use out of the box or adopt out of the box, and then really focus on the 30, which is configured or tweaked, and 10 that are unique. We've successfully used this model. In fact, some of our customers were able to achieve 90% out of the box using the 60-30-10 framework. We know that Go Live is just the start of the journey, so we created managed services offerings to help our customers once they're in the cloud to continue to take the innovations we're putting into the product. In addition, we launched Infor Process Intelligence, which allows our customers to measure, to monitor their business processes with their actual transactional data, and then assess the processes that they have to continue to improve, automate, and do a continuous improvement process. Finally, we've invested and trained several Infor and partner resources, and we continue to train them so that they can come and help our customers take advantage of all the investments we're making in Infor Agility. Thank you for your time.
Hi, my name is Matt Breslin. I'm the Senior Vice President of Strategic Products here at Infor. You just heard from some of my colleagues talking about Infor Analytics and how getting better access to data allows you to make better decisions. But at the end of the day, every company needs analytics. Analytics is the core of digital transformation. But what makes us unique at Infor is our industry-specific approach. We can truly be a partner for all of your industry analytics needs to put you on a path to digital innovation excellence. We can help you become a data-driven organization by embedding analytics in every single aspect of your digital footprint. And we can address the dynamic needs of every one of our customers' businesses. The way we can do that is because we don't take a one-size-fits-all approach. We leverage the power of the cloud to provide instant on-demand scalability, ensuring that you always have the capacity that you need when you need it without paying for wasted or unused hardware or software. So at the end of the day, as I said, everyone needs analytics, but with Infor, you're going to get access to better data to make better decisions for your business as well as your industry. Thank you.